What's up, YouTube? First of all, I wanna, send a thanks to all the subscribers, all the viewers, and everybody who comments on the channel. Um, it keeps a positive kind of, state for me to keep on making videos and keep on posting up videos. So appreciate and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and do all of that. If you guys have any questions, you know what I'm saying, just post it up in the comments. I kind of quickly respond to them, kind of pretty quick. So without further ado, what I'm doing today or this week or however long it takes me to post up on the channel, this is what I'm gonna be doing for this little view. So these right here is the gas tank. What do you call them? Supports, right? Here's where you put the bolt in, and then with the strap, right? It holds the strap and then it holds the gas tank. So I only have one because the trunk floor that I repaired, only had one. Who knows the other one, if it was rotted, got removed, fell off, whatever the case is. So I only got one. So what I'm gonna be doing now is, fabricating. I'm not gonna spend the 50 bucks on one. So I cut off a piece of cardboard, set it over, kind of like so. Stuck everything back out and traced it right there. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is taking the cutoff wheel, Sawzall, whichever one works best, and giving this a go. And shouldn't be anything crazy. I mean, just a couple of bends. I'm gonna use the vise for that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna post that up. Alright guys, so cut the piece, it's all cut out. So now I'm gonna be transferring my cardboard lines that I did into the piece. And how I'm gonna do it, it didn't come out perfect, but I'll trim it once it's all done. But here it is, right? Here's the piece right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much square to the piece. He's here, he's there, there, right? So pretty much square to the piece. There you go. There you go. There we go. Okay. So that is basically translation right there. So the way you could kind of double check yourself, obviously, turn the piece backwards, go right there and see right where it's about to start. Yeah, there is mathematical equations and this and that, but I ain't that smart. As you can see, I gotta bring this down. Pretty close. Now I gotta lift this up. The same way. Clamp it down. Oh, so look at this. Look at this, huh? You look at it real quick. Looks good, right? Flush the piece. Oh man, almost right on top of each other, obviously. Can't put it in. Is this all right or what? Shit. Looks good, man. Huh? I like it. I like it. Let's go ahead and check over here. See how this is gonna work. Oh man. Flush, look at that. Beautiful. Almost better than factory, man. Man-made. You can't beat that. So what I'm gonna be doing now is drilling a hole and see how I'm gonna do these slits. I wanna do it just like this, man. Just like this. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. Cause I need something to hold that bolt in. Look like a Chevy sign right there, right? I think I got something for that. I don't know. drill bit in the middle, and then cut it. That's what I'm gonna do. Try. All right, guys. So this is kind of rough how I'm doing it. See the tabs? That's the tabs right there. I do gotta kind of square it out. I'll catch a file. I got a square file. I go ahead and hit it, drill those spot holes, and you know, kind of clean it up. Hit it with some weld through, and I'll be all set. Once again, guys, I appreciate you guys viewing the whole video, and there'll be more to come. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.